Oh my gosh. Golly. All right, what up, guys? It's my first video. Got you guys on my chest right now. Oh, already got one. Come here. Ooh. All right, come here, buddy. Wow. There we go. It's a decent fish for first, like right away, first cast. All right, thank you, buddy. Oh my gosh. Golly. Hooked his tail. Oops. Damn, my bad, bro. Is that a catfish? How do you even hold these, bro? Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. Freaking catfish, I think. What the heck? That's awesome. All right, thank you, buddy. Thank you, Lord, for this fish. Wow, look at that thing. What the heck? What the heck? Oh, shit. Oh. Come here. Gonna swim in a circle, eh? Oh. Oh, jeez. Dang. What is this? Oh. It's a sweet fish. Thank you, buddy. I gotta cut it out. All right. Thank you, buddy. Send you back. Wow, that was a cool fish.